Hello guys, here is Ghana, one of the peaceful country in West Africa. And today I'll be showing you one of the tourist sites in Ghana. Welcome to Kintampo Waterfalls. In Ghana, we have a lot of tourist sites, but here we find ourselves today in Kintampo Waterfalls. One thing you have to take notice, Kintampo is in the center of Ghana. The whole Ghana, Kintampo is in the center. So this is the environment. Look at how beautiful it is. So when you're watching right now as a tourist, you want to visit Ghana one day, here is one of the nicest places for you to visit. The Kintampo Waterfalls in Ghana were discovered in the 18th century and became tourist site attraction in 1992. So during the colonial period, the falls were known as Sanda Falls. Nana Trema discovered Kintampo Waterfalls in the 18th century. And when you come to Kintampo Waterfalls, the only sound that you hear is the water flows from the Pumpum River, a tributary of the Black Volta, which takes its source from the Pumpumatifi. Now, one thing that you have to take notice, the falls has 3 stages. The initial 2 stages can be reached easily because the way it is level. When you are in Ghana, you know that we are in the dry season. But in Kintampo Waterfalls, the trees, the grass, everywhere still look fresh. Look at how green the trees are. So I'll be taking you through the stages in Kintampo Waterfalls. Now this is stage 1. In this stage, you can see where the water is coming from. It is coming from the rocks. The rocks that you see in there. In Kintampo Waterfalls, they say we flow with nature. So when you want to connect with nature, you want to talk to the waters, you want to talk to the rivers, come to Kintampo Waterfalls. Now this is the place that you see nature. You hear nature. What do I mean by that? You just listen to this. Now you get why I say you see nature in Kintampo Waterfalls. Let me take you to stage 2. Now in stage 2, the water tumbles down behind several rocks. The water disappear and reappear much wider at the base of the rocks. Now in this stage, we do not swim here. You have to keep the environment very clean. As you can see, the water is clean. In stage 2, you can see, look at how clean the water is. You can even read my palm through the water. Now you just listen. Now let me take you to stage 3, which is the farm base. Now in this stage, we have 2 staircases, a canopy walkway. Now as you can see, the canopy walkway was commissioned by ex-president Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo after the incident that happened in 19th March 2007. Now this shows the price list of the canopy walkway. The highest price is 30 cedis. This is almost free. Now let me take you to the main waterfalls. So at stage 3, we have 2 staircases here. One constructing to the main waterfalls. Say wow, this is Kintampo Waterfalls, one of the tallest waterfalls in Ghana. As I said earlier on, in this stage, the water flows from a distance of about 25 meters wide, 82 feet. You can see how deep the falls are. Now this is the canopy walkway over the waterfalls. Wow, interesting. So if you are watching as a non-Ghanaian, you want to visit Ghana one day, this is one of the tourist site attraction I will recommend to you. Kintampo Waterfalls. Now, as I said earlier on, the waterfalls were established as a tourist attraction in 1992. It have undergone several developments, including construction of car park, reception center, and stairs. Now, in case you want to swim here, this is the dressing room for you to sit here and enjoy the view. If you are new here and you haven't subscribed to my channel, do well to subscribe for more. Now guys, I'll be leaving you to enjoy the Kintampo Waterfalls on your own. So guys, that was Kintampo Waterfalls.